NFTs for beginners. The world of crypto has a new rock star. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are unique assets stored in the blockchain, providing great profits to creators and investors. NFTs are the new trend on the internet, and everyone is talking about them. Creators and investors have managed to make life-changing incomes. By the beginning of the year, most of us witnessed the $69.6 million sales of Beeple's Everydays, the first 5,000 days on Christie's, the first digital artwork to be listed by an auctions house. The whole world was shocked and the mainstream had officially a new star: NFTs. In this guide, we will go through what an NFT stands for, how do NFTs work, and, last but not least, how to make money from NFTs in 2022. The meaning of NFTs in crypto. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are digital or tokenized versions of assets that are rooted in the blockchain, the same digital journal technology behind crypto assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Whereas one Bitcoin or Ethereum can be directly interchanged with another of the same kind, because they are fungible, NFTs are non-fungible as they are unique and cannot be traded like for like. This uniqueness of non-fungible tokens made it possible for Everydays, the first 5,000 days, an NFT art by artist Beeple, to be sold for a staggering $69 million at the beginning of the year. While an NFT such as the one from Beeple may not be affordable for many, there are multiple areas where an NFT can be found, such as in trading collectibles like football or basketball cards, in-game items such as characters and equipment, and much more. Multiple pieces of CryptoPunks, which used to sell for a bargain price or even given for free by the developer just a couple of months back, today are sold for millions of dollars each. Not long ago, Sotheby's decided to dive into the NFTs by partnering with the NFT marketplace Nifty Gateway and an anonymous digital artist pack. The Fungible Collection, which the company described as a unique collection of digital art redefining our understanding of value, was sold for more than $17 million. How to make money through NFTs. NFTs have opened new ways for individuals to access various shapes of crypto art, and the fact that they are stored in blockchain means that they can be accessed by just anyone. Since NFTs have come to the spotlight, creators worldwide have grabbed the chance to make generous returns. Thus, today we are witnessing a boom in NFTs, including music videos, GIFs, in-game items, digital art, and much more. Let's go through all of them one by one. Create and sell your NFTs. Are you a creator of digital collectibles and looking for ways to monetize them? NFTs can assist you with increasing your income by selling any digital creation in the form of NFTs, including art, music videos, memes, and in-game items. Trade NFTs. You can make money out of NFTs by buying and selling them. A Miami-based collector known as Pablo Rodriguez Freily managed to make a massive profit by purchasing a Beeple NFT art at a bargain price and selling it for way more than 6 months later. However, not all NFTs are like the one Pablo sold, some of them are not worth as much. This is where you will have to do your own research, DYOR, as a collector and pick the NFTs that will make you considerable profits. NFT gaming. The NFT-based video games might well be the future of NFTs. Players are already known to invest a ton of money on in-game items. World of Warcraft Gold, loot boxes on the Call of Duty, or Counter-Strike skins. These markets are already generating millions of dollars in revenue. If any of the big gaming companies decide to market in-game items as NFTs, the impact of such a decision on both gaming and blockchain ecosystems would be remarkable. It's also worth keeping in mind that NFT-based gaming developers are amongst the most ambitious non-fungible token developers, and NFT in-game items may push the advancement of the non-fungible tokens ecosystem forward. Unlike digital trading cards, or perhaps more interactive NFTs like digital artworks, in-game NFTs are by far the most innovative. Non-fungible tokens as in-game items can be quite complex and completely interactive, and they can change gradually, for example, by being updated or by leveling up in addition to the player's character. Invest in NFT-based projects. A final way to indirectly generate income with non-fungible tokens is through investing in NFT-based projects. There are a lot of promising NFTs projects that are showcasing fantastic advancements in the crypto world. It would surely be beneficial if you could invest in them as they make their first steps into a revolving future. The market sets the value of non-fungible tokens, and they can be held in wallets or transferred between users and traded on exchanges. Staking NFTs. What's staking? In crypto, staking describes keeping digital assets in a kind of a risk and assigning them to those happy to keep or use them for a certain cause. In return, they offer you a share of the profit. You can stake your NFTs to earn rewards on various sites, some of them being Blocktopia, Blockchain Monster Hunt, or Poker, just to name a few. Please like, share and comment down your thoughts below. Subscribe to the channel.